governments have the ability to print money. Obviously, they're going to be against crypto. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Dubai. I hope you're doing well. Wow, every day in crypto is an interesting one. I was expecting more downside on Bitcoin and, it went the other way. But that's okay. That's okay. Bitcoin will do what Bitcoin does, and it wants to go higher eventually one day. You can try to short it, and sometimes you're going to get burned, right? But it will always go up. So make sure you're on the long side. Make sure you're on the long side with the majority of your money if you want to go short on Bitcoin, because it's okay if Bitcoin goes the opposite direction. You've got a large bag stored somewhere else, right? That's benefiting from Bitcoin moving upwards. Okay. With that said, if you're interested in trading, you could head over to bybit.davincej15.com or 2bit.davincej15.com. Links are in the description below. And yeah, let's get on with the news for today. First off, OneCoin compliance chief sentenced to 4 years in prison for role in a $4 billion Ponzi scheme. Okay. Earlier on, OneCoin, and after Bitcoin had pumped to $1,300, OneCoin came on the scene, and it was clear as day that it was a scam. And I remember people coming to me saying, "Hey, I'm buying OneCoin because it's good, pump just like Bitcoin. Everybody says Bitcoin was a scam, and they did missed out, right? So I'm gonna buy OneCoin." I'm like, show me the white paper. There's no white paper. Show me the code. There's no code. It's a scam. But people refused. I know so many people who refused to believe that this was a scam. It's a sad thing. You should always check with people who actually know what's going on, right? Say, hey, and if they don't answer you, don't invest, right? Avoid that, right? Right? OneCoin was a clear scam, and there's so many scams out there, so be careful, right? Never give anybody your 12 or 24 word passphrase. In fact, here's BitPay, right? Right? Well, if you're setting up BitPay, right, and you import your address, do not type out this recovery phrase, recovery phrase in front of anyone, right? If you type out your recovery phrase in front of it, I know you can't zoom. It's really tiny, but that's the way it is. But anyways, yeah, do not show anyone your recovery phrase. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone. There's a lot of scams out there, so be careful with crypto. If you're not sure, wait until you have the right answer in crypto, because you'll lose a lot of money. Okay. Ripple's legal chief urges SEC to own up to its mistakes after years of misguided war on crypto. Actually, dude, it wasn't misguided. If someone's trying to take your money, you might want to go water with that, right? And since the government can print money, they don't want to lose that ability, especially since Bitcoin represents money that people can use that's fair and honest. And that would mean the government would have to work and provide actual services to you, or else you would go against them. Instead, they could just print money and hand it out. So obviously, they don't want to do work. Who wants to do that? Oh, man. Anyways, the SEC has given clear crypto guidance. But that guidance, which is still on its website today, adds and subtracts factors to the Howey test at a whim, leading to what the agency's former general counsel said was greater confusion. Yeah, well, the government, acts like this, like Judge Dredd. I am the law. And they make up laws as they go along, right? So yeah, that's how the SEC works. Avoid them as much as possible, but anything you do will break the law with the SEC. So effectively, you have to treat the SEC like if you are a starving man who's trying to go out and kill a woolly mammoth. So you have to grow. You could get killed, right? They will come after you, no matter where you are on this planet. They'll come after you. So if you're going to build anything in this crypto space, build it fast, build it big, because the SEC is coming, right? And if you're big enough, you could just get away with a fine. And that's just the way life is. Just accept it, right? There will always be those haters, right? I hate those people, right? I really do. They annoy me where they tell me, oh, that project breaks the SEC rules. Every freaking project breaks the SEC rules. So yeah, just ignore them, right? Those people. And, and if you want to invest in a project that, breaks the SEC rules, just do it anyways and hope they grow fast enough so that it doesn't matter. They could just pay the bill, right? And that's it, right? That's all that matters, right? All right. Yesterday I did a video about medieval empires, right? And wow, did it ever move? And guys, man, wait until I buy some. like really, damn, right? Anyways, I'm playing the game. I'm kicking butt, right? I'm like level 17. I'm not 100% sure, right? But this one, I'm 90% sure that this game, Medieval Empires, will do well, right? And so, I've told you guys about Bitcoin. This is only 2 cents, right? You could put $100 or even $1 into this and see what happens, right? And yeah, if you put in, money that you can lose, right? Which is like very little, this thing could do something absolutely spectacular. And you're buying at the lows. So go for it, right? All right. With that said, the best place for you to buy this asset is on bybit.davincij15.com, right? You will have to do KYC on this exchange, but this is the best exchange to buy it. You could always do MetaMask and use the swap function on MetaMask, and that would work as well. But Bybit is another place where you can buy the MEE token, the ME token for medieval empires. Okay. With that said, Bitcoin, it pumped heavily yesterday, but that pump looks like it's probably going to come back to a dump. We jumped above the EMA ribbons, but I don't think that's long lived. I think we're going to come back into this range here that we broke out of. It will come back into that range and probably stay in this range for a little bit on the price action, and then we'll decide whether it's going to break down or break out from there. So let's see what happens. It's probably going to do some sort of Wing action on the longer time frame, or an M and die. So let's just see which direction it goes. Sorry, and then make the trade. Okay, and all right. So and you're going to make the trade at bybit.davincij15.com, 2bit.davincij15.com, or even coinw.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. There's a special giveaway here, Easter egg giveaway for people who sign up at CoinW. Okay, taking a look at Ethereum, waiting for my entry, and it's just like, nope, right? But it wants to come back down. It wants to come back down. I feel it does. I think you'll get a chance here. Now, if it breaks here, I mean, if it is, you can pretty much say it's lights out. It might just come back a little bit, but that you can guarantee that this breakdown is going to take Ethereum down to $2,000. I'm praying that does not happen. Praying, but if it does, right, you can escape this trade and then decide to wait for it to retrace back upwards, and then look for the short for that, because hey, it is a clear indication we have clearly double topped here multiple times here. So that's it. It would be lights out if we break this level of $3,000 basically. So let's hope for that does not happen. All right. Well, I'm doing this live. And if you want to watch this show live, you can head over to davincij15.com where you can ask me questions whilst I'm doing this live on Dubai time around 8:30 in the morning. And yeah, you can share in this live performance, which gets broadcast later on in the evening. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.